Okay, when doing Vedic math, you get more options for doing your arithmetic. So there's more than one way to go about solving a problem. Here in the West, we're only usually given just one way to solve a multiplication problem. Here I'm going to show you a couple ways to go about solving a simple problem, 16 times 18. So let's look at our first one here. This is the multiplication when it's near a base number, so we're working off of base number 10. So for our left-hand side, we either add 18 to 6 or 16 to 8. Either way, we get 24. For the right-hand side, we multiply straight down. 6 times 8 gives us 48. Carrying that 4 over, we get 288. Okay, here's one way to solve it. Here's another one. Okay, 16 times 18. Maybe I don't know what 16 times 18 is off the top of my head. So what I do is I half each one of these numbers. So 16 times 1/2 gives us 8, and 18 times 1/2 gives us 9. So I know what 8 times 9 is. That gives us 72. And since we did half twice, that means we need to double this number twice. So 72 double gives us 144. 144 double gives us 288. Here's a second way to solve this problem. Okay, another way to solve this problem. Let's look at this one here, 16 times 18. Let's do our vertically and crosswise. So 6 times 8, that gives us 48. Okay, then we do 1 times 8 plus 6 times 1, so 8 plus 6 gives us 14. And then finally, 1 times 1, that gives us 1. Okay, doing our carries, we get 288. Okay, so here's 3 simple ways to solve a problem, 16 times 18. I'm going to show you another way to do this. Okay, here we're going to work off of base number 20, okay, which is a multiple of base 10. So we're going to say 16 is minus 4 from 20, and 18 is minus 2 from 20. So for our left-hand side, we either do 16 minus 2 or 18 minus 4. Either way, we get 14. For the right-hand side, negative 4 times negative 2 gives us a positive 8. Now, before I finish this, since we're working off of a multiple of a base, okay, normally we're working off of base 10. Here we're working off of base 20. That means I need to multiply the left-hand side by 2. So I get 28. So I get our answer 288. Okay, Vedic Maths gives you more options, more variety to solve your problems. On top of that, there is a real good way to check your problems to see if you got your answer right, and that's casting out nines. So casting out nines, if we have here 16 times 18, and we say that equals 288, okay, we find the digital root. So digital root of 16, 1 plus 6, that's 7. Digital root of 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, 7 times 9 gives us 63. The digital root of that equals 9. Now I took the digital root of the multiplication of these two numbers. That means that the answer must also have a digital root of 9. So let's see. 2 plus 8 gives us 10. 10 and 8 gives us 18. Taking the digital root further, 1 plus 8, that gives us 9. So you see these two answers match up. So this is the advantage that Vedic Maths gives you. It gives you multiple options to do your answer. Let's say that, here in the West, we're only given one way to do your multiplication. 16 times 18. Okay, you start at the right. You say 8 times 6, that gives you 48. Okay, so you write it 8, carry a 4. And you say 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 gives you 12. Okay, then you write a 0. And you say 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 1 is 1. And then you add these up. Okay, now this method works fine. There's nothing wrong with it. However, if you're only taught one method to solve a problem and you get the answer wrong, let's say for some reason you get the answer wrong and you want to go back and redo it, well, most likely you're going to repeat that mistake because you're using the same process. Okay, with more than one option, it gives you the ability to check your answers with a second method. Okay, this is the advantage that Vedic Maths give you, is that you can check your answers with a second method. You have more than one option of solving a problem. Just generally, it gives you more variety and more options to correctly do your arithmetic. Okay, this was just a real quick video showing you that Vedic Maths gives you more options than the traditional style. If you like these type of videos, please press the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.